Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make restaurant style egg curry at home very easily and with simple ingredient only. This egg curry goes perfectly with chapati, roti and rice. So let's get started. Egg 4 or 6 boiled and peeled, oil 2 tablespoon, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, onion 2 finely chopped, ginger and garlic paste 1 tablespoon, tomato 2 ground and paste, turmeric half spoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, gram masala half tablespoon, salt to taste, water as needed, fresh coriander leaves for garnish. First heat oil and pan on medium flame. Once the oil is hot, add cumin seeds and let them splatter. Now add the chopped onions and saute until they turn golden brown. Add ginger and garlic paste and cook until the raw smell disappears. Next add the tomato paste and cook well until oil starts separating. This step is very important to get the restaurant style taste. Now add turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder and salt. Mix everything well and add some water to get a smooth gravy. Add the boiled eggs. You can make small cuts on the eggs so they absorb the masala well. Sprinkle garam masala and let the curry simmer for 5 to 7 minutes on low flame. Finally garnish with fresh coriander leaves and turn off the stove. So look at this delicious restaurant style egg curry. It tastes amazing with chapati, roti or rice. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon with another tasty recipe. Thank you for watching.